Good morning, friends. Today we are dealing with the 17th day of our class, or in other words, we can say Speak English Series 17th. For the last 16 days, we were dealing with the introduction and also tenses, mainly three tenses, that is, simple present, simple past, and simple future. Today we are practicing those tenses using different subjects. That is simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Simple present tense is dealing with a everyday action, and simple past tense is dealing with a completed action in the past or yesterday's action. Simple future is dealing with an action which is going to happen in the future. So, three tenses: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Regarding all these tenses, we are talking about an activity which starts in the morning and ends in the evening, ends at night. So from bed to sleep, from getting up to going to sleep. So the first question is, when do you wake up every day? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. When did you wake up yesterday? I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday. When will you wake up tomorrow? I shall wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Then the next one is, when do you brush your teeth every day? I brush my teeth at 6:30 a.m. every day. When did you brush your teeth yesterday? I brushed my teeth at 6:30 a.m. yesterday. When will you brush your teeth tomorrow? I shall brush my teeth at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. When do you take a bath every day? I take a bath at 7 a.m. every day. When did you take a bath yesterday? I took a bath at 7 a.m. yesterday. When will you take a bath tomorrow? I shall take a bath at 7 a.m. tomorrow. When do you have breakfast every day? I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. every day. When did you have breakfast yesterday? I had breakfast at 7:30 a.m. yesterday. When will you have breakfast tomorrow? I shall have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. When do you read newspaper every day? I read newspaper at 8 a.m. every day. When did you read newspaper yesterday? I read newspaper at 8 a.m. yesterday. When will you read newspaper tomorrow? I shall read newspaper at 8 a.m. tomorrow. When do you go to office every day? I go to office at 9 a.m. every day. When did you go to office yesterday? I went to office at 9 a.m. yesterday. When will you go to office tomorrow? I shall go to office at 9 a.m. tomorrow. When do you reach office every day? I reach office at 10 a.m. every day. When did you reach office yesterday? I reached office at 10 a.m. yesterday. When will you reach office tomorrow? I shall reach office at 10 a.m. tomorrow. When do you have dinner? When do you have lunch every day? I have lunch at 1 p.m. every day. When did you have lunch yesterday? I had lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. When will you have lunch tomorrow? I shall have lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. When do you leave office every day? I leave office at 5 p.m. every day. When did you leave office yesterday? I left office at 5 p.m. yesterday. When will you leave office tomorrow? I leave office at 5 p.m. tomorrow. When do you reach home every day? I reach home at 6 p.m. every day. When did you reach home yesterday? I reached home at 6 p.m. yesterday. When will you reach home tomorrow? I shall reach home at 6 p.m. tomorrow. When do you watch TV every day? I watch TV at 6:30 p.m. every day. When did you watch TV yesterday? I watched TV at 6:30 p.m. yesterday. When will you watch TV tomorrow? I shall watch TV at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. When do you have dinner every day? I have dinner at 8 p.m. every day. When did you have dinner yesterday? I had dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. When will you have dinner tomorrow? I shall have dinner at 8 p.m. tomorrow. When do you go to bed every day? I go to bed at 8 at 10 p.m. every day. When did you go to bed yesterday? I went to bed at 10 p.m. yesterday. When will you go to bed tomorrow? I shall go to bed at 10 p.m. tomorrow. So this way we can use all the persons asking several questions, and there is a difference which comes when we use third person singular. The difference is when the subject is he. What is the difference? Instead of do, we use does there. For example, in the case of he, when does he wake up every day? He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. When did he wake up yesterday? He woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday. When will he wake up tomorrow? He will wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Then going to the next action, that is, when does he brush his teeth every day? He brushes his teeth at 6:30 a.m. every day. When did he brush his teeth yesterday? He brushed his teeth at 6:30 a.m. yesterday. When will he brush his teeth tomorrow? He will brush his teeth at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. Then going to the next action, that is, when does he take bath every day? He takes bath at 7 a.m. every day. When did he take bath yesterday? He took bath at 7 a.m. yesterday. When will he take bath tomorrow? He will take bath at 7 a.m. tomorrow. We will go to the next one, that is, when does he have his breakfast every day? He has his breakfast at 7:30 a.m. every day. When did he have breakfast yesterday? He had his breakfast at 7:30 a.m. yesterday. When will he have breakfast tomorrow? He will have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. Now we are going to the next one. That is, when does he read newspaper every day? He reads newspaper at 8 a.m. every day. When did he read newspaper yesterday? He read newspaper at 8 a.m. yesterday. When will he read newspaper tomorrow? He will read newspaper at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Now we are going to the next one. That is, when does he go to office every day? He goes to office at 9 a.m. every day. When does he reach office every day? He reaches office at. When did he reach office yesterday? He reached office at 9 a.m. yesterday. When will he reach office tomorrow? He will reach office at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Then we are going to the next one. That is, when does he go to office? Then when does he reach office? When does he reach office every day? He reaches office at 10 a.m. every day. When did he reach office yesterday? He reached office at 10 a.m. yesterday. When will he reach office tomorrow? He will reach office at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Then we are going to the next one. That is, when does he have lunch every day? He has lunch at 1 p.m. every day. When did he have lunch yesterday? He had lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. When will he have lunch tomorrow? He will have lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Now we are going to the next one. That is, when will he leave office every day? He leaves office at 5 p.m. every day. When did he leave office yesterday? He left office at 5 p.m. yesterday. When will he leave office tomorrow? He will leave office at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Now we will go to the next one. That is, when does he reach home every day? He reaches home at 6 p.m. every day. When did he reach home yesterday? He reached home at 6 p.m. yesterday. When will he reach home tomorrow? He will reach home at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Now we go to the next one. When does he watch TV every day? He watches TV at 6:30 p.m. every day. When did he watch TV yesterday? He watched TV at 6:30 p.m. yesterday. When will he watch TV tomorrow? he will watch TV at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. And we go to the next one, that is, when does he have dinner every day? He has dinner at 8 p.m. every day. When did he have dinner yesterday? He had dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. When will he have dinner tomorrow? He will have dinner at 8 p.m. tomorrow. We go to the next one, that is, when does he go to sleep every day? He goes to sleep at 10 p.m. every day. When did he go to sleep yesterday? He went to sleep at 10 p.m. yesterday. When will he go to sleep tomorrow? He will go to sleep at 10 p.m. tomorrow. So we have gone through all the activities starting from morning till night using different subjects. So with all other subjects we can make questions and make answers, and we can practice questions and practice answers. So all the 17 videos are available. You can make use of the 17 videos and watch it several times and practice several times. And if you can practice well, if you can listen well, if you can hear well, if you can understand well, then the result is you will be able to speak well. And you are now speaking rightly. And when you speak rightly, when you listen rightly, when you understand rightly, then the result is right speaking. So right speaking is possible through practice. So practice needed. Practice will take you to the skill. Practice will give you skill. Knowledge, practice, then skill. Through knowledge must be practiced, and practice will take you to skill, and you will get the skill of speaking the language. So we have gone through all the 17 videos now, and tomorrow also we can practice further. So I thank God for allowing me to talk to you, or enabling me to talk to you. I thank Guru also for enabling me to talk to you. I thank all of you who are listening me. Thank you very much. This is our 17th day class. Thank you.